Hi, this is Watch Shopping. Today is another unboxing video. This is a watch I got from Hong Thai watch company. Well, it's a ball, as you can see here. So this is a free gift that I got from them close to Christmas. So there's something new. I will open this and see what it is. Here is the watch box itself. Huge piece. And there you go. Maybe I'll just start opening the gift. Now this particular gift, let's see what it is. Oh, nice! It's a watch. I don't know what you want to call this, but this is the one where you can actually place your watch at the side table, so it doesn't slip. It's a nice push thing. I think it's buttoned. Yep, you can put it flat if you wanted to. That's nice of them. Okay, like it. You can now see the watch itself. Big piece, big box. Green, embossed. It has a nice drawer like. So let's see, when you open this, what do we get? Let's see what else in the box, if there's anything else in the box. Right at the bottom here is the, I think this is the manual plus the guarantee document. The manual is in CD, the receipt as well. So as you can see, this is the reference DM3208B-P1-BE. This is a limited edition timepiece of 1,000 piece, and this is number 221. So I got this one back, and let's see how the watch looks like. Let's open the drawer. So here it is. It's a dive watch, Skindiver, Skindiver engineer style. My apologies, trying to open this with one hand is actually very difficult, but there you go. Got it open. Here's the watch, rubber strap. And all this, the beauty of the watch. Anyway, I will do a detailed review on this watch coming out soon. Do look out for it. Anyway, thank you so much. Bye.